been lovely, a lovely week. Really enjoyed it. Oh, there's been lots of highlights, lots. The horse riding, I've got to say that was incredible, that was lovely. Really well organised. But literally all the classes, the yoga classes, were the highlights too. Really enjoyed everyone, each one was different. So yeah, a bit of everything.
Did you enjoy the inner child stuff as well?
Yeah, I always enjoyed that. A bit emotional, that one. But yeah, it's a good one. I'm glad we did that one again because obviously I came to the retreat last time, but this inner child healing was different to the last one. And I didn't expect it to be that different, but it was, yeah. So it's a totally different experience, which I didn't expect.
I mean, that's what a lot of people are saying. Obviously, I know the behind the scenes, and I know what my mum creates is always slightly different, but you'd say that as well, right? That although you've been to 2 retreats, they were pretty different, right?
Yeah. Like the first time I didn't know what to expect, and the second time I thought I knew what I was expecting, but although we did almost similar classes, like we did a lot of the same thing, but they were all completely different to the last time. The content was different, and the emotion was different, the vibe was different, but as you say, it's the same sort of classes, the same workshops, but a different experience. I took away so much with me last time than what I expected, then this time I knew. So obviously I knew what I was coming for, but I knew that I would learn a lot more and there would be a lot more that I would get from it. Since the last retreat and this one, yeah, this time has been totally different. So I wasn't coming for the same thing. I managed to fix the from the last one. And so this time I came with something completely different. Even if you're, a beginner at yoga, when I first started last time, I was a beginner, and to see at the end of the last week of the last one, by the end of the week, the improvements, and then this time, before I'd be like a beginner, now I'm way more than intermediate.
Awesome.
So it really motivated me to stick at the yoga. And obviously it's difficult at the beginning, but like I say, now I'm in a much better position. That's
great. Did you continue yoga after the end of the last retreat at all?
Yeah, I do a lot of Lisa's online yoga, particularly stretching. But yeah, I've continued, and I will continue.
That's incredible. It's great to hear. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for being part of the retreat.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much, Lisa.